Join me as we go behind the range and look at some of my favourite products from the Replenish range. Some of my favourite products from the Authentic Beauty Concept Care and Styling range is the Replenish range. First of all, I love the fact that the ingredients include pecan and maple. This is going to help lock in moisture and add nourishment to the hair. The Replenish range is for damaged hair. It restores shine and replenishes the hair.
The Guar, which is also inside some formulas, is positively charged and will be placed on the negative charged hair, which is the damage, and therefore the hair surface will be smooth and calm, and also then you have an authentic beauty hairstyle.
As a hairstylist working in the session industry, it's really important for me to look after my models and my clients, not just with styling products, but also with a care range. That's why I love using the Replenish spray conditioner and mixing it with our Replenish balm. First of all, I'm going to talk about the Replenish spray conditioner. I have this in my kit for when a model or a talent arrives with overprocessed or chemically damaged hair. One of my top tips would be to not just spray the product on the surface of the hair, but actually to start underneath by taking section by section from roots, mid-lengths to ends, depending on where the damage is. Once I've used the spray conditioner, I will then apply the Replenish balm. I like to build this up layer by layer, focusing on the areas of damage. It will add shine, it will add condition and nourishment to the hair. It helps me create a blank canvas ready for my session work. The mask will help strengthen the hair fibre, adding shine and ultimate condition. I would encourage you to explore the Replenish range and share your thoughts in the comments below.